All right, now we're recording. I'm gonna do this real quick, and I hope you all enjoy it. Okay. So, when I call fetch data, I get one result object. Just let me have it, dude. Oh man. Maybe I gotta call this something else. Oh, that's right, it's just one result. Nice. Switch on result, which is an enum with only two possible values. What are those possible values? Adam. Any result. It's the same enum built in. Tell me about result. What is that? Have you forgotten?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to pass it to someone?
I'll pass it to B.
Wow. Okay.
Hi, B.
Hi.
What are the two possible values for a result? Something of type result.
If I was to guess, even though I shouldn't, I think it would be failure and success.
Are you guessing or do you actually know that?
I actually.
All right, so don't guess. Come on, own it.
Gotcha.
Own it. All right. So if it fails,
You want to crash the app?
I guess so. Fatal error. I guess I don't need that error here. All right, so if it's a failure, do that. Otherwise, if it's a success, let. What is this? What do I get in response to calling this fetch data? What do I get? What type is that thing? It's data. Anytime I call fetch data, I'm going to get some data. Wow. Now what are we going to do with that data? I'm scared. I'm really scared. All right. What we're going to do with that data is a whole bunch of stuff. Are you ready? Oh, I don't want to do that. I guess we're going to, okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to guard. No, data exists. Otherwise I would have gotten a failed request, right? Wow, thanks so much, fetch data, for all that information and all that stuff you do for me. I guess I could just, I can have a completion handler that says success, and then here in success I want to return a UI image, so I'm going to call that image. What should we create that image out of? Guard let image equal a UI image that we create using data. Pass in that thing called data, then that's it. Oh, and if I want to use this result the right way, I'm not going to cause a fatal error. I'm going to have a completion handler, and it's going to say I failed. And I'm going to say, well, let's let it know some stuff about that. Let it be the error, and this thing will be error. Wow. What's the error? What? Expected else after guard? What should I do here? Else. Thank you so much. Else. Oh. Damn. I do something this. Make a case for bad image data. Oh, cool. So now if I ever have this error, I'll know there was a bad image. Neat. Completion handler for a failure. Oh, and I could just use this dot and it'd say bad image data. Neat. Then I could tell my users somewhere in the UI, hey, I tried getting that stuff, but I'm sorry. It didn't work. And here I'm going to hit return. Oh, wow. Now I can get an image from anywhere. All right, see you later. What are some questions you have about these really cool things that we made that you can use all the time? We're going to keep building on them because we're going to learn new things about the internet, such as how to send information to it or how to check that the type of an image or the data from an image works right. So we are going to heavily build out this portion of what we're doing. Neat? But these two things, this fetch image in my image helper and this fetch data in my network manager, well, let me tell you, they manage the network and they help you with images. And that's all you need right now. What are some questions? Michelle.
Why did you choose to do void this time instead of
Did I? I don't like that I did that. I'll change it back. I think it just automatically put that there for me. I could be wrong. I didn't choose to do void. I made a mistake. There's nothing to scroll up to. Okay. There's your function. You can get any picture with it. What we need, again, is error handling to make sure that when we went to actually fetch a data, we got the right thing. Rats. Rod.
So, network manager, image,
Helper.
that code is stuff that we should save any other time.
If you want to keep making code that serves the purpose of getting information off the internet all the time, you do you. But a helper, I hope, is helpful. And the manager is going to manage that stuff for you if you use it. So I feel like just out of the box, you've got these two great tools. I hope you like them. Yeah. Cool. Don't you like how you know so much about code that these are just tools for you to use now? It's not like, what does a closure do? It's like, this closure does this thing for me. What does it let me do? It lets me look all the way out somewhere at some IP address that somewhere on the internet gets me some information. That information is in the type of an image, which is, I think the technical term is hella tight. And then it lets me use that to use an image in my app. You make apps with images you're getting off the internet. That's what you all do. You're making apps. I think that's pretty awesome. Are there any questions, or should I eat my pho and shut up? Yes, sir. It's chicken. All right. Bye-bye.